Yes, Cebu City. How much
Not
will it be?
allowed?
Huh?
Not allowed.
Not allowed?
Not allowed.
Why?
Only in the Lapu-Lapu city.
Ah.
No, the taxi stand.
Taxi stand?
Taxi stand.
Oh, okay, okay. Where is the taxi? And where is the?
Cebu City siya.
Where is? And where is the taxi stand?
Rasa mo.
Hey boss, what's up? Can you drop me to Cebu? Doesn't matter. IT Park or somewhere.
IT Park.
Or like just cross. When you cross the bridge, how much?
200.
200?
IT Park.
150. Okay, let's go. Good, we got a good deal, man. We got a good deal. 150 till the IT Park. This will be perfect. But boss, we need to stop to the ATM, okay? ATM. There is ATM somewhere on the road. So yeah, guys, we are going from our accommodation in the Lapu-Lapu, and we're gonna see actually where we are located, how far we are from Cebu, how far we are from some hypermarkets here in the Lapu-Lapu. No idea where I am and how I can go, you know, around this place. So yeah, it will be faster with a bike, just to go around and check. And looks like these tricycles are just for the Lapu-Lapu city. As I can see, there is no jeepneys here in the Lapu-Lapu. I'm not sure about Cebu, but there is no jeepneys here. It's just kind of small vans that they use them as a jeepneys. Maybe they use less fuel and they give less emission. So maybe because of this they are like, you know, vans instead of the... And we have these wires that they look more messed up than in Manila. Like the wires are there, you know. I was thinking in Manila they are messed up, but they are more messed up here, man.
Hi, if this is still 500.
Wow, good English.
No, it's already
Don't
400.
worry.
Yeah, you have 250s?
I have mini money. Sakto ba?
Ay, kato ng 200.
Kailan din na?
Kani lang, kani ng 200.
Oh. Rasa ka.
Yan, ilan? 5?
Okay, yes.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, mom. Thank you. Thank you, boss. Thank you so much.
See you
See you.
in the future.
See you, bro. See you.
Salamat, ma'am.
So yeah, guys, we arrived into Cebu in the IT Park. But before I give you my opinion, I need to tell you something. So this is my last month in the Philippines. Please watch this video as long you can. Maybe half of it. I will try to make it more engaging so you're gonna enjoy it more. So let's hit that algorithm. Help me please and watch as much you can. Like, share, subscribe, and yeah, let's boost it a bit up, and maybe there is chance that I will stay a bit longer in the Philippines. Guys, looks like I am in the IT Park. Let's check with the security when this place starts, when this place ends, you know, so I will know how long I should walk to check this place around, you know. I think we already reached the end. I think that's the end of this new area, but let's check with the big boss. Hey boss, what's up? How are you? This is the IT Park, right?
Yeah.
When IT Park starts and when finished? This is the starting of the IT Park.
There.
There?
We start there. Yes.
Oh, so there is nothing behind there, right? So it's starting from here and then all...
There.
Okay, thank you boss, thanks so much. So yeah guys, looks like this is the starting or the ending, depends how you look on it. We have some small park here, cute park with the boxes. We have nice condominium behind it, and then yeah, let's just keep walking and to check this part. Yeah, this place is nice, it's beautiful. but we cannot compare it to the BGC or Makati, you know. It's kind of lesser version of the BGC, I guess.
Large.
Yes. Can we do that? So yeah guys, we're gonna try to take a bit shawarma.
Beef, sir, chicken?
Chicken please. Yes, chicken. Oh, it's like this, huh? Yes guys, we grabbed 2 shawarmas for only 115, you know. So that's very cheap comparing to the Manila, you know. Like, and also the taxi drivers, like scooter taxi driver, they take much less money, you know. So it looks like the Cebu is much cheaper than the Manila. So yeah guys, we are here in the Central Park. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of a bit disappointing. And they say that's the main kind of club bar in the city. And this one is also kind of one of the main club bars in the city, you know. But all this area looks kind of old and not developed. Even this is like the most developed place in the Cebu, still looks kind of third world country, you know. I saw comments, people are comparing this to the BGC, but no, this cannot be compared to the BGC, Makati, McKinley Hill, Eastwood, or whatever. We have here something that is kind of old and it's not working. The pyramid of IT Park, it's like renovating. I think we have some broken walls here, you know. Even the benches is not possible to sit because they are metal. So if you sit, you're gonna burn your ass. So because of this, I see some kids are sitting actually on the grass. They're sitting on the grass, so it looks like it's much better. Yeah guys, I'm not sure if this is placed just like this or they are renovating. Yeah, but looks old. Even this building behind, you know, looks kind of old. We have few nice buildings here. Few of them are still construction. And I just asked these kids. They say this is like the most advanced and the most new area in the Cebu. Yeah, so this is disappointment, you know. It's not that I expected much, but the point is that people say to me it's kind of developed as a BGC, like all Cebu it's like BGC, but no, nothing is like Manila. So yeah guys, we're gonna try to sit somewhere here on the corner. This is kind of center of the city, but still this bar looks kind of a bit rural and a bit old, you know. Hey mom, what's up? Yeah guys, looks cool, but doesn't look good enough for the center of the city. Looks kind of bar on some island, you know, not like in the center of the like, you know, like some district. And actually I asked these people, they say there is one more kind of new center in the Ayala Center Mall. And yeah, and after that I don't know what to do in Cebu though. So you can put in the comments where I should go and what I should visit here. Yeah, I can see that, you know, somehow in Cebu weather is so much hotter, man, like, you know. So yeah guys, we're gonna try to fly the drone in this place under this beautiful tree. There is a lot of open space, so yeah. Drone shot in 3, 2, 1, enjoy. Anyway, from the drone we saw area in the front that there have like many new buildings and big buildings, so we need to check this area. Maybe it's a bit better, maybe it's a bit more epic. Also we're gonna fly drone there, so yeah, in a few minutes see you there. And yeah, we have one nice building here, you know, looks nice. So yeah guys, we came here in the front of the IT park, and across there we have like looks like casino and hotel. I'm not sure that street I can enter on the high road. I just want to go on the high road so I can be on the way to the Ayala Center Mall, I think. You know, Cebu need to work on its infrastructure a lot. So yeah guys, we are walking on this main street. We want to reach these buildings, these big buildings, where I saw there is like from the drone many buildings, many new buildings, and there is Ayala Center Mall there, so we're gonna check it out. Yeah, but till then we have a few miles walking. Yeah, it's a bit hot today. Yeah guys, we came to this crossroad. It's a bit, you know, easier to cross here than to go on that side. So we are approaching this new place, new buildings, a new area, and looks like nice, you know, there is some greenery and like new buildings, so I can't wait to check it out. Yes, as I can see, there is like nice buildings here and nice greenery on the side, so I will go on the left side, trying to go in this area. Yeah, but this gives good impression. This really give good impression, like kinda BGC. Yeah, this is nice, this is nice. Looks better than IT center. Yeah guys, we just entered this mall. Looks huge, looks so huge, man. And yeah, actually going out from this place, you know, there is beautiful park inside. Yeah, I think when I was watching vlogs about Cebu, I think this is the place that I saw many vloggers, like, you know, like vlogging, interview people and just chilling around. Yeah, it looks epic though, it really looks epic. So let's just grab coffee and we're gonna be somewhere down where we can fly the drone over this cool place though. Cool place, much better than an IT center in my opinion. Yeah guys, looks like there is no end of this mall. Like behind every corner you have another part, behind every corner you have another part. Yeah, it's really pretty huge, man. It's kinda, I get the feeling it's kinda SM mall in the Ortigas, you know, that's kind of size that you don't know where you are, you're just going from the part to part. So yeah guys, here in the center we have some nice playground for the kids. They do some many things here, and we have one more floor on the top, so let's check it out. What's the view from the top? Yeah, we're here on the rooftop, you know. There is many kind of like coffee shops, of course Starbucks, you know. And yeah, just let's go around and check it out in this area. Yeah, this scenery from the top is really beautiful, really gorgeous. So it looks like this is the main place to go out in Cebu and to do something outside in the mall. So yeah, this mall is pretty huge. Anyway, it's time to go out and to see how it looks from outside and where we can fly the drone. But before that, let's try to get some coffee. So yeah, we have this beautiful tree in the center and we have nice stairs up. So it looks like there is something behind. Let's check, maybe it's just a road. Let's check that out, then we grab coffee and then we're gonna chill somewhere here and we're gonna fly the drone. It looks like this is just the road, you know, and entering from the mall. So yeah, and actually I saw my new favorite coffee, and that's like pickup coffee. So we're gonna go right and try to see like more people waiting for coffee in the pickup coffee than for the Starbucks. So yeah, just we're gonna go for the Starbucks. And yeah, this entrance is pretty cool, you know, coming from the street going down. So yeah guys, we're gonna finish with our coffee and then we're gonna fly the drone. And unfortunately our phone will be off soon, so we're gonna go to 7-Eleven and try to charge it somehow. So yeah guys, what I noticed like in the Cebu, it's like there is less security like in Manila. Manila there was like security in every park, in every mall, everywhere. Here I don't even see one, just on the entrance, you know.
My name is Jonel. Hello.
So he approached me and he wanted to tour me around Cebu, you know, for free, just like, you know, to have fun. And
I can just only do it during weekends only,
During the
because I have
weekend, yeah.
class during weekdays.
Sure.
I'm soon to become a teacher. It's my last year right now. This coming June will be our graduation. I have been interacting for almost 19 foreigners coming here. This
Oh.
is our meetup place in Ayala
Really?
Center because it's the safest place here. I'm sure that the foreigners would be more comfortable here.
Yeah.
Safe place, something like that.
What about tomorrow? You're free tomorrow?
Yeah, I am free tomorrow.
So do-
Every time I tour some partners, they just pay for the transportation, but I'm just be the one to guide them, something like that. But I don't ask for something like, they just give it to me wholeheartedly. Just like pay for all the kindness that I
Yeah,
have.
that's nice for you. It's nice
I
for
just
you.
wanna interact with foreign people for me to be able to like improve my social skills, enhance my communication skills, specifically in English.
Cool.
It's very important here.
That's
I'm
cool.
soon to become a teacher. That's why I have to learn something from you also. I want to learn something from you. Coming from different country, I've learned a lot of things from them, and it's something that I can use in my future endeavors.
That's very cool,
I'm
man.
not that good in English actually.
No, you're good.
I
You're
just wanna
very good.
interact with
You're
foreign
better than me,
people
though.
for me to be able to enhance my communication skills, and I'm very much thankful right now because every time I meet foreigners, I learn something from them.
Nice, bro.
We just
Yes.
like sharing of cultures, traditions. It's something that I usually wanted to do right now. During my weekends, I don't have any class. That's why I just choose to be meeting someone, you know, harmonizing relationship with each other, build friendship, and make memories with them.
Cool, man. You're so
Yeah.
positive person, bro.
Thank you so much.
So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the drone shot. Yeah, that's my opinion of the Cebu IT Park, Cebu Business Park, and Ayala Center. Ayala Center is pretty cool. This will be my place where I can go often, you know. It's beautiful, there is so many things to do and so many people, you know. So yeah, this will be my probably place to chill out, yeah. And of course, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the video, share, subscribe, and see you tomorrow.